original sound came from part 33. Like and follow for more videos.
Jay, help us, help us. There is God, there is God, 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 God. God should descend, today God will descend here. Nigerian women will not cry in vain. Nigerian women will not cry in vain. This thing will end today. My sisters, if your child lost, will you stay and keep quiet? Will you people stay and keep quiet? The president now is calling you, come, I want to help you. You don't want to appear. Will you agree? No. Now the first lady is calling you, come, I want to help you. Come to find your child, your missing child. Will you keep quiet? No. Child, there is God, oh. There is God, oh. The bloods we are sharing, there is God, oh. There is God, oh. There is God, oh. There is God, oh. There is God, oh.
It's okay.
Where the original sound came from part 32. Like and follow for more videos.
She's pregnant.
Where the original sound came from part 36. Like and follow for more videos.
You Chris, now you look face, you know it. Hey, see, not try me, I go do you another one. You see, say, get sense. Yes, you do. No, let me, they go. Hey, the man, they go more. If you like wrong, go Mexico City. I don't care. You better come here.
Why are you running? Why are you running? Yeah?
What?
You owe me money. You have to give me back my money.
Which money? I owe you which money? Oh, because I'm running for you, eh? Now let me tell you something, Mr. Man. I'm only running because I don't want you to see me that I did not travel. Okay? Now that you have seen me, man, do your way.
Where the original sound came from part 50. Like and follow for more videos.
Hey, Dottie, that's why Valentine is coming. Where's your boyfriend? You are sitting at home. Lonely.
Where the original sound came from part 47. Like and follow for more videos.
Oh, see small nyash they shake. Small nyash they shake. Small nyash they shake. Small nyash they shake. Suffocate them with your bum bum. Suffocate them with your bum bum. Suffocate them with your bum bum. Suffocate them with your bum 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 bum. Hey. Ladies and gentlemen, say one time. Let's go there. Let's go there. Ask question.
Where the original sound came from part 42. Like and follow for more videos.
Born to this earth, I haven't slept with any woman before. I am purely virgin. Because of this, when I pray to God, it goes straight to God. Okay. And God answers me directly. It's not easy. I'm a purely virgin. Since I was born, I haven't slept with any woman before.
Where the original sound came from part 41. Like and follow for more videos.
Shanice,
Yeah?
your mouth is moving a lot like a rat. Yappa. Shut it, please.
Where the original sound came from part 39. Part 2 of Apostle will hear of this. Like and
You know you can be prosecuted for that. Well, I love her, Dad. I love her. Oh my days, irú ọmọ wo wá rè nítorí Ọlọ́run. Mo jẹ jìyà lórí àwọn ọmọ yìí o. Ó já mi lára jẹ.
Where the original sound came from part 37. Like and follow for more
Using
videos.
live ammunition yesterday.
It could not be possible because the injuries can come. People were throwing a lot of missiles. People were throwing stones. People were running healthcare sectors.
Where the original sound came from Part 35. Like and follow for more videos.
You can never make it. You're supposed to be a dinner man, serving dinner to the students in the secondary school. Because you cannot do basic 1 plus 1. You are here breathing heavy like a dog. Think about your life. You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it. You can never, you know you cannot make it. You need to be cutting grass, making this place fresh for the actual footballers that want to use this place. You are tired. You are here. What have you done? Useless. Me with my pregnancy, I'm better than you.
Yo,